Hey students, this is your teacher, Mrs. Halcomb. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to write a reflection for English 10 semester 2, and this will be reflection number 1. So what is a reflection? A reflection is a short paragraph usually asking you to relate a topic or theme from the course to your own life, experiences, or even create your own opinion. Reflections are also used to engage with other classmates in an online learning environment. Why you should care. Reflecting on topics helps you empathize. Empathize means to feel what others are feeling. It also helps you to remember topics. If you're able to feel something in a class that you're learning or a topic you're learning about, you'll actually be able to remember that better. It's a connection in your brain. So anytime you can make connections to your own life with topics in the class, you're better able to remember it. Also, you have to write reflections for grades 9 through 12 here at Graduation Alliance in all of your English classes, and probably reflections in other core classes as well. In order to write a reflection, you're going to have to know these writing terms. These, by English 10, are probably a review for you. We use the same writing terms in every single English course, so that you don't have to relearn a new term. So topic sentence means that you state the main idea of your paragraph. It's the first sentence of your paragraph, and it addresses the prompt. The prompt is a question that's given for your reflection. So what question are you being asked to answer? Concrete detail is a fact or a specific example, can be taken from the course or some current event or some other media platform. Commentary is an opinion based on the fact, and a concluding sentence just restates the main idea and sums up the paragraph. You're also going to want to pay attention to how you're going to be scored on a reflection. So here's the rubric, and a rubric is a fancy way of just saying how you'll be scored. So there's 4 different ways you'll be scored here. First is in organization, so did you follow the format? The next is in content. Did you actually answer the question that was given? Is your answer on topic? Comments, so did you provide a comment to another classmate? And the last one, and a new one, is sentence fluency, because in this course you are working on sentence fluency, which means how does your paragraph flow? Are you repeating things and it sounds like it goes on and on? Or are you varying your sentence structure so that it reads like kind of has a little bit of rhythm and it reads very smoothly? So you want to follow this format. So you have one topic sentence, a concrete detail, 2 commentaries, and a concluding sentence. So let's get started. This is your prompt. Given the information provided in this course specifically on how you consume media, reflect on what you would like to improve upon. For example, do you spend too much time on social media? Do you make sure to read both sides of a story or just one that you agree with? How have advertisements motivated you to be like someone or care about what others think of you? Answer any or all of the above questions. So it says answer any or all. So you could pick one of these questions to answer. I chose 1. Do you spend too much time on social media? And I'm going to answer that in my reflection. The reflection is always just an example. So I turned the question, the prompt, into a topic sentence. So I answered it. I said, I do spend too much time on social media, and I'd like to improve by setting some boundaries. Okay, this is just an example. Maybe you can relate to this reflection. Maybe you're going to answer the same question, whatever you want to do. So my topic sentence is, I do spend too much time on social media, and I'd like to improve by setting some boundaries. Concrete detail, for example, and this is an example taken from my life because it's asking me, do I spend too much time on social media? So you could say, this is just an example, but you could say, yeah, I woke up. This one says, I woke up and looked at Instagram. You could say, I scroll through Facebook when I'm supposed to be working or I'm supposed to be doing schoolwork. It could be anything, really. An example of when you're spending too much time on social media. Or if your answer was, I don't spend any time on social media, you could say, I don't even have an account. So no, I'm good. And then your commentary is your opinion based on that. I've noticed for me that I can start to feel anxiety or even feel depressed scrolling through. So this is an opinion based on the amount of time spent on social media. Another opinion, I know that what people post is not actually reality. So I need to remind myself that social media is not real life. And my concluding sentence restates the main idea. Hopefully I will be able to decrease my use of social media by setting boundaries. So I basically just restate my main idea. And that's my reflection. But you're not done. You have to make sure that you post to another students posts. So you could, maybe somebody else wrote about social media and spending too much time on it, and you could say, I spend too much time on it too, and I'm trying to work on it. Or you could say, some of the things I've done is I don't allow myself to go on social media on my phone, or whatever you want to do. But it should be positive, and you can disagree with your classmates, but just always be respectful. All right, I hope this helped with you writing your reflection.